What is the difference between pylab and pyplot? What is the difference between matplotlib.pyplot and matplotlib.pylab? Which is preferred for what usage? I am a little confused, because it seems like independent from which I import, I can do the same things. What am I missing?
This wording is no longer in the documentation. Use of the pylab import is now discouraged and the UI interface is recommended for most non-interactive usage. From the documentation, the emphasis is mine. Matplotlib is the whole package, pylab is a module in matplotlib that gets installed alongside matplotlib, and matplotlib.pyplot is a module in matplotlib.pyplot provides a state machine interface to the underlying plotting library in matplotlib. This means the figures and axes are implicitly and automatically created to achieve the desired plot. For example, calling plot from pyplot will automatically create the necessary figure and axis to achieve the desired plot. Setting a title will then automatically set the title to the current axis object. Pylab combines the pyplot functionality, for plotting, with the numpy functionality, for mathematics and for working with arrays, in a single namespace, making that namespace, or environment, even more MATLAB-like. For example, one can call this in and cause functions just like you could in MATLAB, as well as having all the features of pyplot. The pyplot interface is generally preferred for non-interactive plotting, i.e., scripting. The pylab interface is convenient for interactive calculations and plotting, as it minimizes typing. Note that this is what you get if you use the IPython shell with the pylab option, which imports everything from pylab and makes plotting fully interactive.
If you want to see more classes and introductions